Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is going to be a tutorial of how I made my aloe vera oil as well as aloe vera gel that I'll be using for my hair and face. These are the ingredients that I'll be using for the aloe vera, extra dark castor oil and extra virgin olive oil. I start off by removing the skin for allergy purposes since I'll be using it for my hair and face, and do take your time during this process because you can easily hurt yourself by the spiky parts of the aloe vera. So I'm just putting the aloe vera gel inside of the blender, chopping it into little bit pieces. You don't have to, this part is optional. You can just leave the whole you can just put the whole chunk in there. And I'm scraping because I do not want any to go to waste since I'm only using one aloe vera plant for two things basically. This part gets really sticky and icky for people who don't like slimy stuff, and take your time with it so that you don't hurt yourself with the knife. As you can see, I'm using a very sharp knife which enables me to cut through very easily. Many benefits to aloe vera which I will list in the description box, for example with itchy skin, constipation when taken orally, and it helps with sunburns as well. So that's why I tend to like to use it a lot, especially in summer for my skin. This is the gel that I got from one plant alone. This is the leftover skin. I won't be throwing it away because I'll be using it for another purpose. And I'm just wiping my blender because it's very slippery, and I'm about to mix just the aloe vera without water or anything. It's just the aloe vera gel on its own. Now that I finished blending the aloe vera gel, I'm going to take my ice cube tray and put some in there and freeze it so that I'm able to use it whenever I want to for either my hair or my face. And I'll be sharing this process in another video of how I use the ice cubes for my face and hair. I find this method to be more effective and beneficial in the long term because it enables me to use the aloe vera gel for my face and hair whenever I want to without having to go through the process of peeling off the skin, blending it. And this is the leftover that I'll be using to make the oil. To make the oil is very much optional. You can use a frying pan or a pot. In this occasion, I'm going to use a pot which I've been heating for some time and just putting on some castor oil on it, and I'm going to add a little bit of the virgin olive oil which I bought from Croatia. I'm then going to leave it to heat up for a couple of minutes before adding on the aloe vera gel. The oils are hot enough now. I'm going to add the aloe vera gel, and please be careful with this step and take your time. Once that's done, I'm just going to keep on stirring it as a, this is what I meant by being careful. The hair mixture is now ready, and I'm going to leave it to cool down before extracting it. I'm going to pour the oil on the sieve. I'm just making sure that I pour all of them in, that none goes to waste. I'm going to repeat the process again with this sieve to make sure it's just the oil that I'm extracting. And this is optional. You can use a sieve or a cloth, but on this occasion I prefer to use a sieve. And there you have it, my very own aloe vera oil. It's very small, but it should last me for at least 2 to 3 weeks since I'll be using it for my edges mainly and scalp. And this is the leftover which I'm going to use to decondition my hair. Before doing that, I'm going to apply the leftover gel on my face, and this is how my hair is looking like. I washed my hair first with normal shampoo, and now I'm just applying the aloe vera gels from the leaves and also the oil extract that was left. I'm just massaging my edges and my whole head, and I'm going to apply my shower cap in a minute, and I believe I left it for about an hour to condition. Apologies, I forgot to record the final process of me rinsing it out, but thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.